Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between flower and flower. It's very common for English language learners to get confused about how to spell or pronounce these words since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. First, let's learn how to pronounce flower and flower. Both of these words have the same pronunciation. There is no difference in how we pronounce these words. We begin with full. Repeat each sound after me. Full, full. Ow, ow. Now let's try all three sounds together slowly and repeat after me. Full, ow, Now let's say the word together. Flower, flower. Now let's learn the difference between these two words. Flower, spelled F-L-O-U-R, is an uncountable noun. Flour is a powder made from grain. It is used in cooking and baking. Here are some examples of flour in a sentence. Mom needs 2 cups of flour to make this recipe. Do we have any whole wheat flour? The main ingredient in bread is flour. Flower, spelled F-L-O-W-E-R, is a countable noun. A flower is the colorful part of a plant that blooms. Let's look at some examples. Look at that beautiful flower. My favorite flowers are tulips and roses. My boyfriend bought me a bouquet of pink flowers for Valentine's Day. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using flower and flower in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.